Rahini, and today I have something really cool with me and I can't wait to show it to you guys. Ta-da! It's this awesome shells photo frames by Toykraftt. This Toykraft seashell kit contains an assortment of natural shells in different shapes, size, color and texture. The kit also contains 3 photo frame cutouts in different shapes, rubberized magnets, adhesive and an instruction manual. Using the adhesive provided in the kit, the shells can be stuck to the photo frame cutouts to make these mini fridge magnets photo frames. A picture or photo can be inserted between the cutouts and rubberized magnet strips stuck on the reverse. The activity is quite simple and keeps me busy and entertained for hours. Minimum age for this activity is 7 years, but even adults can indulge in this superb art and craft activity. I can display my best memories with these photo frames and they can make any place look aesthetic. You must try this out.